Yes, students, we have discussed the story of transport yesterday. Now, can you tell me any other modes, early modes of transport that are not used nowadays?
And bullock cart.
Yes, but you can see in some villages, bullock cart is used. Any another example?
Ma'am, tongue.
Tonga, yes, Tonga.
Ma'am, steam engine.
Yes, steam engine, very good. So next is 10.2 topic. How far have you traveled? How wide is this desk? Okay. So in this topic, firstly tell me one thing. How will you decide that you have to go by bus, train or on foot? How you can decide? If the school is very far from your home, yes, it depends upon the distance. Yes, so if the school is, when you come to school, you come to school either by bus or on cycle, yes, or any another vehicle. Yes, if the school is very close to your home, then you can come on foot also. Okay, you can walk also. But if the distance is very large, you have to come by school bus. Okay, so it depends. If you want to buy something from the market, okay, then how will you decide? The same thing, that you have to travel by bus or by rickshaw, or
By
you
the
have to use
distance.
Activa or bike. It also depends on the distance of the market from your home. Yes, so the next is that how will you know whether you can walk all the way to your school or whether you will need to take a bus or a rickshaw to reach your school? So it depends upon how the far a place is. Okay, so that we can have an idea how we are going to reach that place. Walk, take a bus or a train, a ship, an aeroplane, or even a spacecraft. That we have discussed all these transport yesterday. Okay, so in the first column it is fourth para. Sometimes there are objects whose length or width we need to know. Okay, we need to know how what is the length and the breadth of any object. Okay, for example, table, blackboard or whiteboard. Yes, or any type of any material. We want to find the length or breadth of that material. Okay, how we can do that? So in the next para, in Paheli and Bujo's classroom, there are desks which are to be shared by two students. You also, when you come to in the normal condition, when you come to school, then you have to share a desk with the two. Okay, means that there are two students that can sit on a bench or a desk. Yes, sometimes it also happens that you fight for that he has taken more portion than me. It happens or not? हुआ है आपके साथ कभी ऐसा कि आपने फ्रेंड के जो है जो ज्यादा स्पेस लिया, आपने उसको बोला थोड़ा सा आगे हो जा? नहीं हुआ? Yes, Manjot, please, बच्चे, tell me the answer.
It happened.
Okay, it happened with you. So, Paheli and Bujo, there are also both are friends. So, what happened? Paheli and Bujo share one desk, but frequently end up fighting that the other is using a larger share of the desk. Okay. Now, coming to the second column on page number 96. Now, the teacher suggested them to measure the length of the table. Okay, so that both get the equal portions. Okay, the teacher suggested them to draw a line. Okay, that will separate the two portions of the desk. Okay, now both of them are very fond of playing gilli danda. Gilli danda is a game in which there is a need of 2 sticks. One is very large in size and other is smaller than the other. Okay, so they are very fond of gilli danda. Bujo brought a set of gilli danda with him. Bujo क्या लेके आया? गिल्ली डंडा लेके आया. Now this gilli danda in English we called it tip cat. Okay, it is played in a team who will क्या होता है इसमें? We are not going to play this. Okay, I'm just telling you that the person will hit the, for example, it is a small stick. Then the person will hit it with the large stick. Okay, and then shot it. Okay, agar to catch ho gaya, if it is catch, then the person is out. Okay, who will get the more points will win the game. Clear? Now, what is the use of gilli danda in this activity? We will study this. Okay. Here is how they try to measure the length of the desk using gilli and danda. Okay, I don't have any gilli danda, so I have used this waste material, that is a cardboard. For it is gilli and it is danda. Okay, I know it is not that much hard. Okay, it is just a cardboard. Okay, so I have used this material so that it will be easy for you also to understand the concept. Okay, so we are starting our
मैम इसको इंग्लिश
activity.
में क्या बोलते हैं?
Tip cat, TIPCAT, tip cat. Clear? So what the teacher has suggested them, just 1 minute. It is visible to you all? So the teacher has suggested them to draw a line. I am drawing a line. Okay, from the center. Okay, now what happened? The desk, here is how they try to measure the length of the desk using danda and the gilli. They have used gilli and danda. Okay. So the desk seems to be having equal length of 2 danda lengths and 2 gillis. Just wait a minute. Okay, so the length of the desk we have to measure. So it is covering the space of, there are 2 dandas and 2 gillis are there. Clear? So it is covering the space of 2 danda length and 2 gilli length. Drawing a line in the middle of the desk, leave each of them happy now. Okay, because these are now equal. But after few days, these lines, what happened? Now it is a first day. What happened after some time? After so many days, the line gets erased. Okay, so the line gets erased and it is wiped out. So now he bought another gilli danda to measure it. Okay, for example, ये उसका टूट गया या कुछ हो गया, ठीक है, और लाइन भी क्या है, रब होगी. ठीक है, हल्की हल्की अब मैंने रब कर दिया so that you can also see. So उसका जो गिल्ली डंडा है, he lost it. Okay, now they have to again measure because the line is not there now. There will be again fight. Yes, so he buy another gilli danda. Okay, and then in the similar way, now he plays the 2 dandas and 1 gilli now. But now you are seeing this, that now it is not in equal proportion. So in the first, there are 2 gillis and 2 dandas that are covering the space. But now what happened? The desk length seems to be about, now in this situation, the length seems to be about 2 danda lengths and 1 gilli with the space that is still left out. Okay, so means this is less than 1 gilli length. Yes. So now how they can measure? You are seeing this. If they are measuring with the another gilli danda, now the case is totally different. Now how they will measure? Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, वो scale कर सकते हैं मैम measure tape.
Yes, they can use scale, but अगर scale नहीं है, so
मैम इंची टेप.
at the previous time there is no any type of scale is there. How they measure? How the ancient people? How the people in the previous times?
Ma'am, by the hand.
By hand. Okay, listen to me. And your hand, the hand span of mine is different from you. Then it will also make a difference. Okay, next proceed to the next that how we can do that. Okay. Now what we have studied on the page number 97. Hello. Now when measured with the new set of gilli and danda, the second case, the desk seemed to be about 2 danda lengths and 1 gilli length. Okay, and there is a space that still left out. What would you suggest Paheli and Bhujo do to measure the length of the whole desk? If I suggest, there is written on the book that can they use the wicket and bails to measure the length? You have seen the cricket wickets. They can use it for measuring this. Still the same problem will be different. Sorry, the problem will remain same. You know that in the case of when the teams play on international level, okay, तो फिर उनका जो है the size of wicket and it is justified totally और वो same रहता है. बट जो हम स्ट्रीट में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं उसमें तो विकेट का साइज डिफरेंट हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो फिर प्रॉब्लम वही रहेगी, आप जो विकेट लाओगे उसका साइज नेक्स्ट अलग होगा. यस अवनी, यू आर शोइंग. यस अवनी हैज विकेट. यस बच्चे, सो तो विकेट भी इट इज नॉट आल्सो एन अप्रोप्रिएट मेथड. सो क्योंकि विकेट का साइज डिफरेंट हो जाएगा, इट विल बी डिफरेंट. Okay, if we talk about the small scale if we are playing in the street or any other place, I'm not talking about the international cricket. Okay, the size is fixed in that matches. Okay, so one thing they could do is to take a small string length of string, mark 2 points on it. I'm taking a string. Okay, by using this they can measure. Okay, so and mark the 2 points on it. This will be the string length. Just 1 minute, I am opening this. What I will do, I will take a string and then measure the desk. Okay, now we have to divide the desk in the 2 equal half. Yes, so see here. Yes, see here, it is a thread. Okay, now they can measure it. Yes, so what they do, they will fold it. We can fold it. Okay, when we fold it, now this is the portion that a person get. Okay, if there are two person have to sit on the bench on this desk, then they will occupy this much space. Clear? So if I talk about there are 4 person that want to sit here, what I will do, I will give a space, this much space to a single person. Clear? And we can again fold it in this way. So we can divide how many portion in how much portion a person will sit. Okay, it is not that much string. that much bigger, but we can find. Clear? The important point is you have to just take that you are placing the string at the one end properly and on the second end at the corner you have to. Okay, you have to take the measurement appropriately. Okay, then divide it into, then you have to fold it, so this much space will be taken by a single person. Okay, so it is a correct method also. If there is no scale, I am not talking about scale, if there is no scale, you can, in this way, the person can divide the desk, or they can, Bujo and Paheli also use this, can also use this method. Clear? Okay, so the now next thing, I am going to read the third para of page number 97. One thing they could do is to take a small length of a string, mark 2 points on it. This will be the string length. This whole length is the string length. Okay, so they can measure the width of the desk in string lengths. Okay, how can they use the string to measure distances less than the length of string? They can fold in the similar way that I have fold. It is 1/2. Okay, because there are two threads. It is 1/2 half. मतलब half ये इसके पास आएगा, half इसके पास. Okay, if I again fold it, then it will be 1/4. Okay, if I again fold it, then it will be 1/8 of the desk. So the 1/8 of the desk is this much. Clear? So now perhaps Paheli and Bujo can measure the exact length of the desk using the string. Okay, if there is no scale. Okay, you would say that they should use the scale in their geometry box and solve their problem. Of course, they can use the scale also. Yes or no? Yes, bache? They can use. Your voice is
Yes.
not. Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Bujo has been reading about the way people used to measure distances before such standard scale were made, and he has been trying to follow different methods of measuring distances. In the same way, when there are no scales, standard scale nahi the, you all know that the scale that is of 15 centimeter, it is same in all over the world. If I talk about 1 centimeter in India, then in the foreign country, the length of the 1 centimeter will be same. Okay, the scale, the measurement of scale is same in all over the world. It does not change. Clear? So these are the standard scales. So the next is, he has been trying to follow different methods of measuring distances. Now we have measured the length of a table or a desk. Now Bujo want to measure, to find the method that can be used to measure distances. There are so many occasions when we come across a need to measure lengths and distances. Obviously, can you tell me for what purposes you have to measure the length of anything? Give any example जिसकी आप लेंथ मेजर करते हो, या कोई भी करता है. Unmute yourself. Raise your hand. Yes, Sargunpreet.
Ma'am, distances.
लेंथ कोई भी आपको यूज कर रहे हो, उसकी लेंथ आपको मेजर करनी है, या कोई और यूज करता हो.
मैम जब लोहे का काम करते हैं तो
मैम बनाने के लिए मैम
1 by 1 बच्चे. My dear students, 1 by 1.
मैम घर बनाने के लिए मैम उसकी मैम लंबाई नापने के लिए उसका
Yes,
इस्तेमाल
yes,
होता है।
yes, yes. Very good. For any construction work, for example, we have to make any home, the architecture will measure the length and breadth of the area. Good. Now, next.
Ma'am, mats for woodwork.
Woodwork. Okay, yes. The carpenter who do the work of, who work with wood also need to measure. For example, I have to make any door. Okay, so there is a need of measurement. So next, coming to the tailor needs to measure the length of the cloth to know if it is enough to stitch a kurta. टेलर ने अगर कोई भी चीज बनानी है, कोई भी कुर्ता बनाना है, तो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ नीड ऑफ a measurement. Okay, so that only that then he can tell it is possible to make kurta from that material or not, from that fabric or not. Yes. So another example is that is given in your book. A carpenter needs to measure the height and width of a cupboard to know how much wood he would need to make its door. जो cupboard है, that is used to store the things or any material. He has to measure the height and width of the door. Okay, for the cupboard. And next is the farmer needs to know the length and breadth or the area of his land to know how much seed he can sow and how much water would be needed for his crops. In the similar way, the farmer also needs, yes, so that he will know about how much water is given to the whole field. Okay, and what is the quantity that can, the quantity of seed that can be sown in the field. So you are, now it is clear to you that measurement is very important. In the earlier times, there were no scales. Still, people measure the things. Okay, and they travel from one place to another place also. Clear? So the next is, suppose you are asked how tall you are. You want to tell the length of, okay, how you can measure? If I told you that what is the length, how tall you are. Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, with the measuring tape.
So what you will take a measuring tape. Okay, you will stand with the wall and from the head to the heel, you will measure it. Okay, and then you are able to measure your height. Okay, so the next is, how long is the broom? You know what is broom? Yes, Avni? Yes, bache, Giri Kancha. Yes, jhadu. Okay, so there is also need, how long is the broom? How wide is this desk? How far is it from Delhi to Lucknow? Sorry, how far is it from Delhi to Lucknow? Okay, so these are the distances that we also need to measure. We can't take the help of string at that time to measure the distance between one place to the another. Okay, we don't have that much long string. Okay, so there are important, we will discuss the other units that are used for measuring the things. Okay, for measuring the distance, what is the unit that we use? If we have to measure the long distance, which unit we will use?
Kilometers.
Yes, kilometer. If I want to measure a small length,
Centimeter or meter.
Centimeters or meters.
if I want to measure any cloth,
Meter.
Yes, meters.
Meter.
Very good. So all these questions have one thing in common. They all concern distance between the two places. If I talk about what is the distance from Jammu to Kanyakumari, so here we are talking about the distance between the two places. So that the example that we have done to discuss till now is that it is all about the measuring the distances from one place to the another place. Yes. So we will discuss the some another measurements topic 10.3 tomorrow. Okay.